Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to cover the Logitech MX Ergo mouse for power users and a bit of a help for your wrists. So stay tuned and I'm going to explain why and what's this mouse capable of. So why is this mouse so special? It has a trackball, it has a bottom magnetic pad for angle adjustment for your wrist. It is the advanced version of the past M570. Basically, Logitech fixed everything that was wrong with M570 and brought back the trackball. Now the box has a standard looks with the ability to test it before you buy it. Advanced scroll wheel, easy switch and flow enabled, precision mode button, fast rechargeable battery. Those are just some of the key features that make this mouse the rightful heir of the trackball mice. So let's open the box. We have a nice USB cable for fast charging. It isn't braided, but then again, this isn't a gaming mouse, so you don't actually need it. Plus, I think the price might be even higher if it was. Then we have an USB receiver for connection to the computer. Also, you have the ability to connect your MX Ergo via Bluetooth, so you can connect more devices with it. The overall design is excellent and the quality of the material is really high. It feels solid in my hand and the way it is made gives a great support for it. The top part is made out of some sort of a rubber, so it gives a nice and comfortable feel while working. Different angles of the mouse are great for improving wrist posture, and it is claimed that it will reduce muscular strain by 20% compared to a standard mouse. Let us check the sound of the clicks and the scroll wheel. Now on the top there is a switch of the mouse for easy switching between two computers if you need a functionality like this. One is connected via USB receiver and one via Bluetooth. With Logitech Flow you can copy and paste your data between two computers. Both of those features need the installation of free Logitech software, which can be downloaded from the website. The link is below, of course. Now near the tracking ball there is a nice and convenient precision button for faster and precise control, giving you nice and easy way to work with, well, more control. You have a fast rechargeable battery that can go up to 4 months on full charge, which is really incredible. But what is really cool is that with only 1 minute of charging you are good to go for the whole day. This is really amazing for trackball mouse or actually any kind of wireless mouse. As usual, if you like the video, don't forget to click the like button. Also, let me know what you think in the comments below. This was a short version because I had it only for a few days. Thank you for watching. This was Logitech MX Ergo, and I will be back soon with more cool stuff.